because a rubric can list a different category for each component of the assessment that needs to be included, thereby accounting for the complexity of the task. When to use a holistic rubrics. Holistic rubrics are best to use when there is no single correct answer or response and the focus is on overall quality, efficiency, or understanding of a specific content or skills. How does the two types of rubrics look like? SIC rubric, single criteria rubric, one-dimensional, used to assess participants' overall achievement and activity, or item-based on fine achievement levels. Analytic rubrics, two-dimensional rubrics with level of achievement columns and assessment criteria of rows. Advantage and disadvantage. The advantage of holistic rubrics emphasis on what able to demonstrate rather than what he or she cannot do saves time by minimizing the number of decisions raters make can be applied consistently by trained raters ability. Disadvantage of holistic rubrics does not provide specific feedback for improvement when students work. It is a varying levels spanning the criteria points. It can be difficult to select a single best descriptions. Criteria cannot be weighted. Advantage of using analytical rubrics. Provide useful feedback on areas of strength and weaknesses. Criterion can be weighted to reflect the in, relative importance of each dimension. Disadvantage of using analytic rubrics. More time to create and use than a holistic rubric, unless each point for each criterion is well defined. Raters may not arrive at the same score. What is portfolio assessment and its purpose? A portfolio is a collection of items organized in a notebook, a file, or a similar format. However, a portfolio can be also help document work experience, achievements, and skills in any field. In fact, developing developing a portfolio during college will help to evaluate yourself. Career decision. Primary purpose of an assessment portfolio is to document student learning on a specific curriculum outcomes. What are the steps in planning a portfolio? Step 1. Assess the current situation. Step 2. Establish investment goals. Step 3. Determine asset allocation. Step 4. Select investment option. Step 5. Measure and rebalance. How does a portfolio looks like? A portfolio assessment can be an examination of student selected samples of work experiences and documents related to outcomes being assessed, and it can address and support progress toward achieving academic goals, including student efficacy. What are the advantage and disadvantage of using portfolio? The advantages of using portfolio: A across section lens, providing a basis for future analysis and planning. Serves as a concrete vehicle for communication, providing ongoing communication or exchanges of information among those involved in assessment. Promotes a shift in ownership. Students take an active role in examining what they have done and what they want to accomplish. Offers the, offers the possibility of assessing the more complex and important aspect of a learning area or subject matter, and and covers a broad scope of knowledge and information from many different people involved in assessment of students' learning and achievements. The disadvantage of using portfolio. It may be seen as less reliable or fair than more quantitative evaluation. Having to develop one's individualized criteria can be difficult or unfamiliar at first. It can be very time consuming for teachers to evaluate the content of portfolios. Portfolio can be just a miscellaneous collections or artifacts that do not show patterns or growth and achievements. Data from portfolio assessment can be difficult to analyze or aggregate to show change. Assessment strategies and multiple intelligence. What is multiple intelligence? Multiple intelligences refers to a theory describing the different ways students learn and acquire information. These multiple intelligences range from the use of words, numbers, pictures, and music, to the importance of social interaction, introspection, physical movement, and being in tune with nature. Traditional view of intelligence versus multiple intelligence. Traditional view of intelligence versus multiple intelligence. Traditional view of intelligence: people are born with a fixed amount of intelligence. Human beings have all of the intelligence, but person has a unique combination or profile. Intelligence level does not change over a lifetime. We can call improve each of the intelligence, though some people will improve more readily in one intelligence area than in others. Intelligence consists of ability in logic and language. There are many more types of intelligence which reflect different ways of interacting with the world. In traditional practice, teachers can be teach the same material to everyone. MI pedagogy implies that teachers teach and assess differently based on individual intellectual strengths and weaknesses. Teachers teach a topic or subject. Their structure activity learning around an issue or question and connect subjects. Teachers develop strategies that allow for students to multiple ways of understanding and value their uniqueness. What are the type of multiple intelligence? 1. Spatial intelligence. Number 2. Aesthetic intelligence. Number 3. Physical intelligence. Number 4. Verbal intelligence. Number 5. Intrapersonal intelligence. Number 6. Social intelligence. Number 7. Mathematical intelligence. Number 8. Existential intelligence. And number 9. Naturalist intelligence. Number 7. Mathematical intelligence. Number 8, existential intelligence. Number 9, naturalist intelligence. Number 7, mathematical intelligence. Number 7, mathematical intelligence. Number 8, naturalist intelligence. And number 9, existential intelligence. How does multiple intelligence can be affect in assessment? Multiple intelligence theory can draw students back into learning using the different intelligence. To teach a concept allows each of your diverse learners a chance to succeed at learning. The learner with the strength of visual spatial intelligence will do well with drawing and puzzles.